Hello, 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 my butterflies. Hello. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. This is your girl first meal of the day. I have white bass fish. They are so pretty. Look how it folds up. Look how pretty it is. Oh, look how pretty it is, y'all. Came to y'all with a mukbang today. I have 3 of these. Already said my grace. I'm ready to get it in, y'all, because the girl is hungry. I'm shaky. I'm weak and dizzy. I have a third one right there on the bottom. And y'all, look at these logs. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. They ain't no joke. It's time to eat. There ain't no joke, y'all. It is time to eat. It's time to eat. Ginger ale on deck. Yes, y'all, I did my nails. Finally did these babies. Got some whoa right here. Gotta have that whoa, you never know. Okay, I done said, like I said my grace already. I don't like a whole lot of vinegar. Sometimes I like it on my logs. Sometimes I don't. Now, when you first put some in your mouth, your jaws kind of achy on both sides. Yeah, I just experienced that. I don't taste no salt on the logs. Let's try a piece of this fish. I like to taste stuff plain first anyway. White bass, y'all. Y'all hear that crunch? My goodness. My goodness. Oh, crunch is out of this world. Now this got salt, definitely. You can definitely taste the sodium up here. Yeah, y'all, it's my first meal of the day. It's going on 1:30 p.m. We're going on 1:30 p.m. And your girl's starving like Marvin. The salt that's in this fish gonna take the place of no salt on the logs. That's how much salt is in here. Do y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me now? I know I'm looking sleepy-eyed. That's because I woke up not too long ago. And I'm not a morning person. So whatever time I wake up is like first thing in the morning to me. Or it's like it's time to go to sleep. That's how I would be feeling, y'all. So I really not a morning person. Certain things to go through. I got the video thing on. You got everything on it? Let's wait till she gets here. Today is her birthday. My clam daughter's birthday today, y'all. And my daughter, my firstborn birthday is tomorrow. These birthdays are rolling in, huh? Mm-hmm. Here, boy. Running my mouth, ain't I use that vinegar yet.
At least we ain't waiting 5 o'clock.
Huh?
At least we ain't waiting 5 o'clock to eat.
I know that's right. You want some vinegar?
I got this over here.
Okay. I bet you want this hot sauce.
Yeah, appreciate it.
It's pretty and crunchy. The fish. It really is, y'all. I try not to use too much hot sauce, y'all. Believe it or not. Okay, I'm gonna stick this through the little crack over here. Okay.
You said vinegar is good? Got everything to the crack.
Oh boy.
Wait,
The candle's the way this time.
got some stuff on the table, man.
I'll take care of that.
Get a junkie table.
I'll take care of all of that.
Man,
What are y'all eating today?
love it. Most stuff over here. Most stuff,
Here y'all go. Here you go. Here you go. Very meaty. Tastes very fresh. Yeah, this fish just melts in your mouth. Not in your hands. In your mouth. Oh, let me move this can out of the way so y'all can see the food.
Man, say, the fish you eat today was caught last night in the Chesapeake Bay.
Oh, really now? No bones, y'all. Make no bones about it. Look at that. Look at that.
And the funny thing
Beautiful.
about it, even Mexicans cook this fish.
And it tastes as good as it looks, believe me.
Like,
You say the Mexican cooked it?
yeah, that time we was up in New Jersey that time. The guy got Chinese people made the best taste salad I ever had.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gave me a little sample of it. Because I had got yellow rice, and that was just a plain. Ain't had no flavor or nothing.
So you got there like some black meat, this drink here.
Newark, New Jersey. These logs are serious, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, I'll take that one. Yeah, I had that. Look at that pretty golden brown it is, y'all.
What's the price?
Gotta eat, y'all. There's one thing you gotta do. You gotta eat.
What's the price?
Can't function, honey. You don't gotta put nothing in their stomach. Be lightheaded, dizzy, drowsy, stomach growling, you name it. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. And staying safe. And living your life to the fullest and enjoying your life to the fullest. Now it's juicy too. I got the nerve to be juicy. There's a short fat one here, y'all.
Everybody can cook. You know, you can cook. You can cook.
I better believe it. Whew. Y'all, sometimes be coming close to going to a nail shop and get my nails done. But then I say, no. Because a lot of times people pluck my nerves. And they make me snap. I don't like snapping. If I can help it. I said, I'm going to do my own nails my own way. Press on. Different color press ons, honey. It works for me. I don't know if it worked for anybody else, but it sure enough worked for me. Oh, look at that.
That's what better? Let me see. There you go.
Yeah. Thank you, baby. Yeah, that's that vinegar with the mother. Apple cider. I get from Amazon. I get 2 at a time. They're reasonable, but right now I can't think of the price though. Y'all go up there, y'all check it out. Y'all see. Ooh. Yep. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, okay, Ginger Ale, come on through now. Come on through with the L. So y'all, what's going on the YouTube streets? What's going on? Then again, what's not going on? All I be hearing about is Adrienne. All I be seeing is Adrienne. My God, I never seen nothing like it. I just got to mention it. I'm not trying to mention her in my video. I just have to mention it because that's all you're hearing, that's all you're seeing out there. It's all about Adrienne and her mother. And that's all I'm going to say about it. My goodness. That's all I got to say about it, y'all. That's it. And that's all. And I will say this. How much can one person take? How much can one person stand? I'll say that too.
That's all I'll say. That's it.
Y'all excuse my blouse today. You know, I have not seen the iron. And if I can help it, I don't iron. To be truthful about it. Usually I put my clothes on and they iron themselves out. But this one here, it's one of my fall tops. And it's a stubborn one here. I don't remember putting it in the dryer. I don't put my blouses in my dryer because they'll shrink my blouses. The dryer will shrink my clothes, you know, my blouses anyway. I put anything else in there, but if something I don't want to shrink, I'm not gonna put it in there. And you definitely don't want to leave it in there too long. The longer you leave it in there, the more it's gonna shrink. With that heat, ain't no darn joke. Yeah, I got so cold I was upstairs in my room. I turned the AC off. Plus the temperatures is like, I think 80, what is it, 80, no, 79 today. I put it to 87, but it's 79. So it's very pleasant outside today, as it was yesterday. And again, y'all know I don't eat fast. Somebody talking about making my nose itching. Who can it be now? Who could it be? I don't know and don't give a darn. Frankly, I don't give a darn. I guess I eat shorty right now. Look at that, y'all. I'm just itching. Just itching. Itching, baby, itching. It's all delicious, y'all. It's all delicious. But I probably saved the other fish because I only ate two. This is my second one. And I got this. This here. I would save this till I get hungry later on. And I got about 1, 2, 3, 4 logs left. Long logs. And this is a little short fat one. So I'll save it for later. I can't eat but so much at one time, y'all. I'm a shorty, you know. I'm short. It don't take me long to get full. It don't take me long at all. Um, 1:36 or 1:26, one or the other. Delicious, y'all. Delicious.